Cap 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies. And remember, we repaired this. Let's see how we did. Oh, okay. It seems to be holding. Now, there's two ways you could do this. You could make this out of Pet G, the broomstick and the post, or you could lighten up the density of the witch itself. I'm just going to paint this. Okay. Like I said, it's not pretty, but it'll do. So go back on the windowsill. Turn it around really slow. Used green stuff to repair it, if you want to know. And we're just filling it in with some paint. Okay. She's all done. Bewitched is back. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure you do a hype. Bye.